In this video, I will quickly show you how to cancel a subscription on Stripe. First, go to the Stripe website and sign into your account. Once you are inside, go to the side menu and click the Customers option to see the list of customers. Next, select the customer who has the subscription you want to cancel. Inside the customer profile, find the Subscriptions section. Then click the Active Subscription to open the details. Now click the Cancel Subscription button. You can choose to cancel immediately or cancel at the end of the billing period. After that, confirm the cancellation. Once confirmed, the subscription will be stopped based on the selected option. This prevents future automatic charges. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel a subscription on Stripe easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.